Alright, language explorers, let's look at today's Thursday adverb. So already. Already. Something that has happened before something else and in due time. Something else. So, I already wrote this lesson ages ago. I have already been to Scotland. Yes, something that happened already. It's happened before compared to now. I have already learned what already means. I know this word already. I learnt it. I learnt it a long time ago. How cool is that? So, I already know the answer. Before you even ask the question, I know what the answer is. How cool is that? They already went there last year. So no matter where you want to go, I have already been and travelled there. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I have already recorded the lesson. Yeah. They have already seen the videos. She has already read the book. That was fast. He thinks he has already written it. And it is already waiting for you to arrive. It has already arrived at home before you. The parcel got here earlier and then you arrived. How cool is that? She already has the gift. It got here yesterday. Very good. Very good. It got here yesterday. Yeah. How cool is that? I know he has already finished the report. He's already finished it. Yeah. She has already finished writing the document. How cool is that? He thinks he has already seen the movie. How could he have seen the movie? It has not been out for very long. How could she have already seen the video? I have not released it yet. I've not released it yet. Makes no sense. How cool is that? So already, something that has happened before something else and in due time. I have already seen it. I've already written it. It is already ready for you. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use already in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to me on YouTube. You subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.